Well, good morning, everyone. Just waiting on the coffee to get done, and then we're going to do a little review on Oukitel's power station. It's a little portable power station, a 500 watt, 614 watt hour battery, lithium ion phosphate. So in a little bit we'll do a small review and reasoning behind the tent in the background is just to kind of show everyone that it is a portable unit. I don't know if I would tend to take it out on any backpacking trip or anything, as it weighs about 18 pounds. It's perfect size for car camping, or in this scenario just some tent camping nearby. I would have liked to have done this at the cabin, but the cabin's still snowed in, as I'll show some pictures. Well guys, there's the cabin laying at its winter's rest here so far. Haven't been able to do a whole lot due to nasty temperatures and stuff. But chimney parts still aren't in, so I've got a little review video I think we'll do today. Hopefully you guys will all stick around. No, that's good coffee. Guys, today we're out here to review this little Oukitel portable power station. It's a 500 watt output, 614 watt hour lithium ion phosphate battery basically. It's a pure sine wave, so you're not supposed to get a lot of disruption in your TVs if you want to power little TVs or such. I like it because it's small size, perfect size for a little car camping, or in my case just a little tent camping here. As a YouTuber, pretty important to keep all of our batteries charged and stuff, because everything we use is pretty much battery run, so it comes in real handy for that. And the size, it's only about 14 inches long, 8 inches tall and 6 inches wide. But it's supposed to charge your phone about 61 times on the average with a full charge. So that's a pretty good ratio. There's a few little specs in here. Like a 20 watt LED lamp, it's supposed to run for 30 hours on this. A 75 watt LCD TV, about 7 hours. So I like it mostly because it'll fit behind the seat of a van or a truck, or it's not too cumbersome to throw on the four-wheeler if you're going to go out. And there is plenty of different ways of charging this. You can use solar panels. It comes with its own, and I'll go over that in a second, comes with its own cords to plug into solar panels. You can use a cigarette lighter in your vehicle and charge it while you're traveling. And then again, the wall outlet. The one drawback that I found, it came with a 48% charge in it, and I charged it up to 100%. Just to see how long it would take. And it took about 4 hours to get that last 52%. So it's not the fastest charging one I've ever seen. But the size wise, it's pretty handy. On the back side, it's got a nice little LED lamp. With 3 different brightnesses. Hey, before I go through here, I want to show you, it's got a nice little hard case for all of its cords and stuff. This is the 12 volt adapter for your wall plug-in. You just plug that into that. And it's got your cord for charging off your truck or your van. You just plug that into the cigarette lighter or power point, I guess they're called now. And then this is something unique. They sent their own cables for solar panels, even though I don't have solar panels to show you. But that's the same scenario. These will plug in there, and then these get plugged into the solar panel. So that was kind of unique. I haven't seen any that have sent the plug for the solar panels. So that was kind of nice. This little unit has an abundance of output ports. A couple 12 volt 4 amp on the center panel, along with a cigarette lighter style power point. The bottom left side has a USB-C port for charging smartphones and such, along with 2 sets of the typical USB ports. On the right side bottom panel are 2 AC 110 volt 500 watt pure sine wave household style outlets. The display screen shows the battery capacity, remaining runtime, input-output power, along with what panel is in use. Also, it shows the over temp and the fan indicator. The following chip shows the power consumption of a 110 volt 9 watt LED bulb. So according to the screen, I should be able to run it for 47 hours. The reason I like this little unit is that the case is made out of aluminum, so it should take a bit more of a beating than the plastic power stations. With that said, the retail price of this unit is $399. I'll leave a code in the description for 10% off if anyone's interested. Just do your research. These don't fit everyone's lifestyles. With that all being said, I hope everyone is living life to the fullest, and I hope the support box for the chimney comes in soon so I can get a cabin build out to y'all. So until then, take care and see you next time.